Hello, Decadence here with Quickly Notification Shortcuts. I'm going to show you what my app does. Allows you to set notifications in your notification drawer. When you first install it, Quickly will be listed in your app drawer as it is. It'll pop up, it'll create the notification up top, and from here you can see the actual shortcuts panel. You can choose how many rows you want to pick. You can go up to 3 rows. They'll just pop up here as well. To set a shortcut then, you have to select on one of a predetermined ones here. Just click on one of them. You can set an application shortcut, a launcher shortcut, a direct dial contact, a direct message contact, a URL bookmark, or you can change the icon as well. Right now I'm just going to show you the application shortcuts. This will list every application that you have in your device. And from here, you can pretty much do whatever you like. I use my alarm clock a lot, so I'm going to go find the clock. And I'll pop up there, and it'll show it in the notification right away. If you don't want that many shortcuts, just bring it back to 1 row. And right now it's one of the 4 shortcuts I've listed. Once you click on that, it'll open up the app directly. Pretty much anywhere you're at, you can just jump back into it. I'll reload it. But yeah, if you want to go back, then we'll just go back to Quickly. Anyways. You can also set a launcher shortcut. Launcher shortcut pretty much lets you launch any application that you have on your device. So if you're in the clock app, let's say you don't have a shortcut set here for, let's say, XDA. Click here, it'll bring up this. You can click on XDA and it'll launch XDA. You can just jump back and forth, essentially. So we can go back to the clock app, or we can go back to Quickly, just like that. You can also set direct dial and direct message contacts. This will list all the contacts that you have in your device, and then you can either choose to dial them directly or to message them directly. This will work with any phone application, including Skype, Groove IP if you're using a tablet. Direct message contact will also work with any third-party messaging app as well as Google Voice, and I'll show you that real quick. Right now I'm going to do a direct dial contact. I'm just going to pick someone randomly. You can either show the contact or go on the phone, pretty much just to call them. So I'll bring it up. You can click on the phone, it'll bring up their number, and you can just dial them directly. Also, you can set direct message contacts, which like I was saying earlier. With this, then, you pretty much just pick another contact that you have. And then you can either pick Google Voice messaging, any other third-party app that you have. I'm going to do Google Voice because I use that the most. But yeah, that works the same way. I'll pass the number on there. You can just compose it directly. What you can also do is URL bookmarks. I just added this recently. From here, you can pretty much type in any web address. Like we'll do github.com. That's where I host all my projects at. So if you're a programmer, you'd probably know about it. So you can hit create. You can choose which browser you want it to open with. I'll just do Chrome. And then when you go down, pull down notification drawer, click on the shortcut, it'll go straight to github.com. But yeah. Lastly, you can also change the icons. So let's say if you want to make sure you can, clarify which is what. Like I'm going to change the icon here. You can either do image from storage that you have in your SD card or internal storage. We can do it from an icon pack, which works with ADW icon packs. So we'll do icon pack real quick. I think Metro Station has a bookmark. Little icon you can use. Excuse me as I find one real quick. Well, I'm just going to pick some randomly. I'll do that right there. This lets you pick the color as well. It's pretty cool. But yep, I'll bring it straight back to the app. I'll change the icon to that, and I'll be set like that. But yeah, they'll still open up the same link you had before. Next, I'll show you in the settings. You can choose different notification priority levels. The priority levels, as it comes to stock, is minimum priority. That means it's not going to show an icon on the top. It'll always be here though. But it might collapse if there's other notifications. If you don't want it to collapse, you always want it to be on the top. Choose high priority, then just refresh the notification. and it'll always be up top. You can either make it an ongoing notification or not, and switch that back and forth. Turn off the annoying update ticker if you'd like. You can hide the status bar icon, or try to if you have high priority. Just click there. It'll try to make it disappear. It might not work on some devices, but as you can see here, not listed. You can also customize it quite a bit with background colors for the notification itself. Right now it's kind of transparent, so I want to make it just a deep black, so it kind of fills in everything. And also change the row colors. So let's say we have 3 rows, but I want to, make sure it's distinct between them. Like I'll have all my tools, social networking, whatever. We can change the colors so we can clarify between them. Just make that red, show it right there. Make the second row blue. Make the third row kind of a green. Do that. When you pull down notification, you can see that. Right now it still has the shortcut backgrounds. If you disable the icon backgrounds, you can see them directly there. But yeah, you can also pretty much make this however custom as you'd like. I like things a little bit more transparent, so you can also do the alpha slider here. And yeah, you can see how it looks a little bit better already. Yeah. But yeah, this is quickly. Pretty much, if you like it, let me know. Otherwise, I hope you enjoy it. Alright, bye.